Hi, I'm Rosa. Thanks for joining me. I am out at work today and I thought I'd show you what a typical day of food is for me. Typical day of eating, what I have. And I usually don't have breakfast, but I'll show you what I am having. Car, also known as my mobile office. I have a liver tonic, which is olive oil, lemon juice, orange juice, water, and garlic. And ginger, except I didn't add the ginger today. And then I picked up a coffee. And my coffee is a Dunkin' Donuts iced latte. And I put a little packet of stevia, sometimes half a packet of stevia. This is just the small size, which is comparable to a grande size at Starbucks. Go figure. But that's what I've been having for coffee. And I will drink iced lattes even in the winter. Sometimes I'll get a hot coffee just to change things up. But ice is my preferred coffee. Lunch today in the car is leftover pizza from yesterday, empanadas, and got this Olipop cream soda to try. I have some yogurt from Chick-fil-A that was left over as well from a couple days ago, and some peaches. I had lunch in the car. I ate the pizza that was left over, and part of that Olipop cream soda was really good. I ate half of a peach and half of the yogurt with strawberries and blueberries, and I have the empanadas left. I'm going to see if somebody on the job site wants them, so I don't have to carry them home. But that was lunch, and I'm actually really glad I was able to eat something or get lunch together from stuff at the house. 1:30 in the afternoon, and it's a coffee treat. It's a decaf iced latte with sweet cream in it. It's been a long day. It's about almost 4 o'clock. We're still working. I was hoping that I'd get to go home and do some work, but I haven't been able to. And that coffee was really, really good. Really, really good. And I could use another coffee, but I probably shouldn't. I have no idea what we're gonna do for dinner. We'll probably go out because I've been working all day and it's hot and I haven't really planned. We'll see. So I have a love-hate relationship with coffee. I used to drink a lot of coffee, but I really didn't start drinking a lot of coffee until I was in my 40s. And now it's been an off and on thing. I'll go a few weeks without having coffee, and then it's like when we went away this past weekend, so I picked up a lot of coffee on the road, and now it's like a vicious cycle. Now I've been drinking a lot more coffee since I got back, and whatever. It is what it is. Right now, we need the coffee. Zucchini fries. For dessert, I'm having a Kirkland ice cream bar, which is like the Haagen-Dazs bars, but they're made by Kirkland Costco. It's the next day. I've been out and now I'm back in my office working, and I picked up a coffee. I wanted an iced latte with sweet cream. They're a little addictive, so I'm having coffee as I'm working at my desk. Today is Chick-fil-A nuggets fries. That's it. I have an hour drive ahead of me. I just finished lunch a little bit ago, but I thought I'd get a coffee because I'm in the coffee kick or coffee mood, whatever. I'm back in my office working this afternoon, and I wanted a snack, so I'm having some cottage cheese with blueberries and strawberries, and I'm going to drizzle that with honey. Dinner tonight is an avocado chicken salad. My son had chicken and waffles. I had a chocolate martini, and we ate lettuce wraps that are gone already. Hello. It's a couple days later, and I thought I'd continue this what I eat in a day. I am headed to a doctor's appointment to have some blood work done, so I have not eaten anything. I'm fasting. I've drank water, which is, I love water. But I would have had a cup of coffee if I could have, because I'm a little addicted to coffee at the moment. And I need to break that bad habit. So anyway, I will pick up a coffee after I go to the doctor's office. But I am headed there for the blood work. Change on the blood draw. I'm going to go in tomorrow. I stopped by the office. There were a few things we had questions about, and we're just switching it to tomorrow morning. So I will fast tomorrow, and it is 9:05. And even though I could have waited a little while for the doctor to get there and then she decide what to draw, they said they could do it tomorrow, and I have to go by there tomorrow morning anyway. So I'm just gonna, instead of waiting, I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee. Today it's an iced latte from Dunkin' Donuts, a decaf one, and I am going to add a little packet of stevia. And they gave me a really tall straw for this small coffee, and one for my husband. Lunch today, I am packing. We have Sausalito turkey sandwiches with provolone. I like mine with sauerkraut, or let's just say sauerkraut's good for you, so I put sauerkraut on mine. There's just microgreens and arugula on that. And I made my husband a salad. My son and I will be eating lunch out while working. My husband is a little under the weather, so I made him a salad to have at home. I'm going to put some plastic wrap on this and put it in the refrigerator. My son will have some yogurt and berries, and I'm having some cottage cheese and berries, a little honey for the yogurt, some stroopwafel cookies for my son, and some granola to go on his yogurt, and what's left of the barbecue chips to go with that. And I'm obsessed with these little pancakes from Costco, these little French pancakes. I can eat the whole bag, which is not a good thing, but I'm taking one as a little treat for myself after lunch. And I also packed some grapes. I am now on the job site in my car with my lunchbox and my water. You would think purple's my favorite color, but it's not. It's just happened to be what's going on with the lunchbox and water bottle. And since I showed you the cottage cheese with the fruit, it was the last of the cottage cheese, so I just went ahead and used the container. I also threw in a nectarine that we had in the refrigerator, and I am going to start my lunch. My son is going to have lunch with me, and his is packed over there. And once he gets in the car, he will indulge as well. By the way, I have not eaten anything today, and I'm actually hungry, but I will probably only eat half a sandwich with some chips and have the cottage cheese a little later. I'm glad I put it together though, because it'll force me to eat this over some junk food later when I'm hungry, which will undoubtedly happen. And I'm trying to cut snacking back out. I've been snacking too much and it shows, so I'm trying to stop it. Between the snacking and the coffees, that's the death of me right now. I ate that whole sandwich with the sauerkraut on it and a little bit of chips that I had in that bag, and it was so tasty. I have not eaten the cottage cheese. I'm surprised I ate the whole sandwich because I usually eat like half of it, but I still have the cottage cheese and the fruit. I will drizzle it with some honey and have it for a snack later. And I think I need a cup of coffee. Actually, I think I'm going to get a cup of coffee. I don't need a cup of coffee, but I'd like one. So I am about almost an hour from home. I'm on the job site. I am going to leave here in a few minutes, probably pick up a cup of coffee on my way home, drink it on my way home obviously, and do some work at home this afternoon. I picked up an iced latte from Starbucks with vanilla sweet cream. I put the cottage cheese away with the fruit, and maybe I'll have it later, but I just picked this up at Costco, and I'm going to give it a try with some chips. That's some good stuff. A little spicy. It says it's mild, which is great because I don't like really hot, but it's good. For dinner tonight, we're going to have Chinese. This is food we picked up yesterday, and we had enough for leftovers, so we are going to eat it again tonight. Chinese takeout. And mine is General Tso's chicken with white rice. I have enough for tonight, and that's what I'm having. General Tso's chicken with white rice. It's after dinner, and I am going to enjoy one of these Kirkland ice cream bars because they are so delicious. It's the next day, and I'm in a predicament. I am stuck on the side of the road on the turnpike. Thankfully, I'm in a safe spot next to a guardrail opening. But I didn't pick up coffee this morning, so I am having coffee, and my car doesn't have a spare. But for Christmas, I had asked my husband to buy me a spare. He did. It comes in a bag. It doesn't really fit anywhere in the car, so it's at the house. My son was with me when I got the flat. It's a bad one. It's not a repairable flat. It's something flew into my sidewall. It looks pretty, it's bad, and it's a pretty new tire, which is not good either. But it is what it is, and I downloaded the Uber app. Let me go back. My husband's not home to bring me the tire. He is, and the reason I'm not carrying the tire is because it takes up a lot of room in the trunk. So anyway, my husband's on a job site, which is kind of far away. He said he'd leave the job site. I said no. I downloaded the Uber app. Thankfully, I could do that pretty quick. Never used it before. I got a ride. Somebody actually came, an Uber driver, God bless him, picked my son up on the side of the turnpike in the middle of nowhere, and he is driving him home. My son will grab his truck, grab my tire, come put the spare on, and I'll be back on the road. But continuing with the days of eating, I have a coffee. Iced latte with a little bit of stevia. I had made a quick stop at Trader Joe's this morning before the flat tire and picked up a couple groceries, and this is one of the things I picked up, and it's so tasty. It's a little spicy. I like it. But it's several hours later, almost 1 o'clock. I am still in my car. I am trying to find a tire for my car. I'm riding around the donut, and of course I'm taking the back roads so I stay off the highway, since I cannot go so fast on the spare tire that my son so kindly installed for me. And I've called several places. My problem is the 4th of July holiday is coming up, and a lot of places will order a tire for me, but I may have to wait till after the 4th of July to get it installed. So I've made a few calls. I found one at a tire store that has it right now and can install it right now, and that's where I'm headed. And therefore, for lunch, I am having popcorn because I'm hungry. I'm still in the car. I've had nothing but that coffee. It's almost 1 p.m. and the popcorn was doing the job. Had I had a chance to make it home, I would have made something to eat at home, but I really want to get this tire on before the 4th of July. Costco is my first choice for tires, but the stores, even an hour away that I called, no one has it in stock. If I order it, today's the 2nd, they won't get it maybe at the earliest tomorrow or this afternoon. Then I have to get an appointment to get it installed. It won't be till after the 4th of July. And my car is like my phone and my purse. I am constantly in my car. I'm constantly using it. We are one. I need my car. Since we're gonna have an early lunch, I'm gonna have one of these mini brie bites from Trader Joe's and some fig spread to hold me over. I feel like it's been a long day and I didn't get much done, but that's probably because I had to get that new tire and spend all that time running around for that. But I'm glad I have my car and I'm able to get around. We went to a restaurant that we hadn't been before, and you saw we had appetizers and a couple drinks. That restaurant was very good. We really enjoyed it, and that's my few days of eating. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.